Hello friends, I'm Paavan Gupta and I'm back again with another video. Now this is a video tutorial, not a video tutorial, rather it is a coding challenge in Python. So I'm gonna create a calculator in Python, a fully fledged calculator with just one line of code. So actually it seems to be difficult, but it is actually not difficult at all. So let's get started. This video is going to be very short because it's my first coding challenge. It should be easier than the easiest of the problems. So let's create a calculator in just one line. So let's get started. I will create a new project. I will name it as coding challenges in Python. Yes, coding challenges in Python. Okay. Okay. So this is a project that I have created. Let's create a new file in here. File. Let's name it as one line calculator. It is a Python file. Python. Okay. So let's create it. First of all, see, there's a let me tell you how I will create it. There are three functions in Python that I will use in here. So one of them is int, for sure, for printing the result. One is eval, and another is float that I'm gonna use. So this is how I will try to create, with just these three functions I will try to create a single line calculator in Python. So how I will do that? You know the function of eval function. Sorry, not float. I will use input function. Sorry for the confusion that I created in here. So I will use the input function, eval function, and print function. So let's start. First of all, print function will be used for printing the result out. Input will be used for taking the input from the user of whatever calculation they want to make, and the eval function stands for evaluate. So what this function does is that it takes a string which contains a mathematical equation in it, and it evaluates the equation, returns the result, and we will print that returned result using the print function. So let's create the calculator. First of all, what I want to do is I want to take input from the user. Whatever the user will input, I want to evaluate it, and whatever the evaluation result will be, I want to print it. So that's it. This is a fully fledged calculator in Python. Let's run this code. Let's run it. I will enter any equation here. 12 plus 2 plus 3 minus 2 into 3 minus 2 into 3 divided by 2. Sorry for that. Let's run it once again. 12 plus 2 plus 2 into 3 divided by 2. The answer is 17. You can verify it. 12 plus 2 will be 14, plus 2 into 3, 6 divided by 2, 3. So 14 plus 3 is 17. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will try to bring more and more coding challenges in this channel. So please hit the like button if you like the video. Please subscribe my channel for notifications of the future videos, and thank you.